are so many Filipino doctors, nurses, and engineers na talagang may pinag-aralan at may years of experience only to take odd jobs in America. And that's what this Netflix series Cleaning Lady represents. Yung pinaka-main character niya si Tony De La Rosa. She was originally written as a Filipina, but since they casted this French-Cambodian actress as Story, she is a Cambodian-Filipina surgeon from Manila, yung husband niya Filipino. Tony and her son had to go to the US for this experimental bone marrow transplant kasi yung anak niya may rare illness. While waiting for his son's treatment, their visa expires. So they become undocumented and she is forced to take jobs under the table, like cleaning offices, events, just to keep her son alive. Sa show ko nga lang din na to nalaman that illegal migrants fear seeking for medical help, like takot sila pumunta sa ERs or sa hospital dahil makikita yung records nila, madideport sila. One night, she witnesses a murder. Nahuli siya ng mob, and to survive, she convinced them that she can clean up the evidence. So, para siya naging freelance cleaning lady for bodies and crime scenes to erase evidence. Ang ganda ng premise. I love the Filipino representation. Although there are moments wherein it feels a bit forced, katulad ng pagtatagalog nila, but it still works because it's showcasing our music, food, culture, and even family dynamics. Even Lea Salonga shows up on the later season. Although nasa season 1 pa lang ako, if you're looking for a crime drama with Filipino representation, check this out on Netflix.